I'm quite passionate about energy policy because if we can get it right, then it's going to solve a whole lot of other issues down the line. What I would like to see, and again, this is more of an innovation thing, is small modular reactors. I think with the amount of uranium we have in Australia, if we could get the small modular nuclear reactors right, energy could be dirt cheap here in Australia and so easy to manage. But again, it's a system that isn't exactly tried properly yet. And so that's why I wouldn't suggest it right now, because as I've already criticized with renewables, the technology is not there yet. The most important thing going forward that we need to have is baseload power. So if we don't have coal and if we don't have gas, that is currently what we're using for power, and we just go straight to renewables like the Greens want, then when we have bad weather events like Queensland had 2 weeks ago with a cyclone, where they had 2 weeks of rain and cloud, so no sun, lots of wind, but too much wind, so wind turbines wouldn't have worked either, then the entire southeast corner of Queensland, which is I think 5 million people, would have had no power for weeks. And it's those situations where you need to have a transition, where the coal grid or the gas grid can back up the renewables so that you always have guaranteed power. Any solution that runs the risk of no power, not a good solution. So keep that in mind in this election when you hear people talking about it, because it's important.